This is Nicole with Wild River Outfitters in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Vantage CT seat on a Hobie kayak. We're working on the 2020 Outback today, but this same method is used for all Vantage CT seats as well as the CTWs, which you have on the Outback. So what you want to do is find that scalloped edge that runs on the inside of that front bar, right in front of the front set of legs, and you're going to place that on this bar here. If your front bar is not in the high position, this is the easiest position to do this installation. You can bring this little attachment guy towards the middle of the boat and then rotate that, and that'll allow you to raise and lower this seating bar. So I always do it from the high position just because it's a lot easier. So when I've got it on there, I'm going to squeeze this front mesh as close to the bar as I can to really get it to lock into place. That's a trick that I've learned over doing this. So you're going to set it on that bar, squeeze that mesh down towards that bar, and then just rotate the seat back. And then check your front seat or front edge, make sure that it's well to go. Always, always, always make sure that you secure the buckle in the back, because that's going to prevent you from losing the seat if you do have an out-of-boat experience. But again, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is seat this scalloped edge onto that bar, squeeze this mesh onto that bar to make sure it locks into place as you rotate back, and then you will have a properly installed Hobie Vantage CTW seat.